markets where there is a price limit, obviously we're aware of what those limits are, but they don't have a really significant bearing on where we're going to set the margin. So, for example, we're currently at, we're over the price limit, the unexpanded price limit, where the limit's at 30 cents and the margin's currently at 35 cents, and that's due to the fact that in recent months we have seen a few price change observations, the one-day price changes that are in excess of that, and so that's been accounted for in the margins. As Fred pointed out in the examples that he gave, there are certainly many times when we're below the price limits. In 2008, that was a good example where we started the year at 20 cents. And then around the time when the volatility kicked up, we did go up to 30 cents. And then later in the year, we saw things come back down, and we went back down to 20 cents. So you can see even more recent examples of that. I pulled data since 2008. So obviously, as I mentioned, right now we are actually over the price limit due to some of the volatility we've seen. But from May of 2009 to October of 2010, that was the most recent period. During that entire time, the margin levels were below the unexpanded price limit. They were at various levels below that, but again, they were reflecting the volatility we were seeing in the market, not necessarily the price limit. And so, the price limit obviously can have some impact on the size of the price changes we're seeing every day, but because they are expandable, we have seen price moves in excess of the 30 cents that we have now, and that's why the margins are currently higher than 30 cents. So again, I just want to kind of drive home the fact again that the margins are being driven by volatility. You can see if you pull up the historical margins for corn on our website that we have not been at the price limit many times throughout the last, I think we have the historical rates posted for the last 8 years. So you can certainly pull those up and see where we have been. But those were the main points that I think I wanted to make to the group. Did anybody have any specific